amazes me how in-depth people do get with Excel and how much companies come to rely on a spreadsheet. And often they're running millions of pounds worth of business or projects in an Excel sheet, which is just bonkers. I saw something recently actually where a customer needed to update a spreadsheet with some details on some projects. So they would send out that Excel spreadsheet to their colleagues once a week. And then each colleague would have to go in individually to that spreadsheet and update it. They couldn't go in at the same time because then they might end up overriding data. When they'd all finished updating it at the various different times, they would then send it back to the original person who had the spreadsheet, and he would then have to copy and paste that data into his master copy. So the scope for error and mistakes is just massive with that. Whereas with Monday, everybody can access it at the same time, everybody can make updates and changes at the same time, and there's no risk of anybody overwriting anyone else's